Brändle. I'm born on the 1st of August 1964, which is the Swiss National Day by coincidence. Also my name is quite Swiss. Beat is a typical Swiss name which is only used in this country and nowhere else in the world. I am married to a Brazilian, have 2 children, 9 and 16 years old. We are living close to Winterthur in a small village in a nice house. My profession, I am an engineer in telecommunications, still working in this environment in the mobile phone sector, traveling worldwide. That also brings me to my hobbies, which are also quite various. Typically tennis a lot, and also running, swimming, biking in the long distance environment. So crossing the mountains with the bike, doing long distance triathlons. And now my latest project, which is coming on soon, is crossing Australia by bike from the north, from Darwin down to Adelaide, passing through Alice Springs.